Stop memorizing Scrum. I spent $10,000 on certifications, passed every exam, framed them on my wall. Then I started training students. 140,000 later, here's what I learned. Memorization fails, pattern recognition wins. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Quick background, I've been a CIO for over 10 years implementing Scrum in government and private sector. My biggest failure, my first sprint planning meeting. Complete disaster. 2 hours of arguing about estimates. No clarity, team left confused. Then, when I realized knowing the Scrum guide doesn't mean you understand Scrum, so I built a different approach. If you are brand new to Scrum, here's what you need to know. Scrum is a framework for building products in short cycles called sprints, right? Most people try to memorize 19 pages of theory, roles, events, artifacts, commitments, accountabilities, and so on. It's overwhelming. Here is the shortcut, the 3-5-3 rule. 3 roles creates clear accountability. So we have product owner decides what to build and why, the vision and priorities. Then we have a scrum master. He removes obstacles, coaches the team, protects focus. And we have developers build and deliver the actual product, the people doing the work, right? And we have 5 events create predictable rhythm. Sprint planning, team commits to work for the next 2 weeks. Daily Scrum, 15 minutes to coordinate and surface blockers. Sprint review meeting, show working products to stakeholders, get feedback. Retrospective, improve how the team works together. And the sprint itself, usually the 2-week container holding everything together. Okay, and then we have 3 artifacts that creates transparency. Product backlog, everything we might build, prioritized by value. Sprint backlog, what we committed to do this sprint. And increment, working tested product ready to ship. And that's it. 11 components, the entire framework. Once you see the pattern, the problems becomes obvious. Sprint planning feels chaotic. You haven't refined your product backlog. Daily Scrum taking 45 minutes. You're solving problems in the meetings instead of just identifying blockers. Stakeholders surprised by what you built. You skipped sprint review or didn't invite the right people. The pattern reveals the problem every time. Now, this is just the foundation. The 3-5-3 pattern gets you clarity. But transforming your career, leading the Scrum team, building product customer actually want, that takes depth. Which is why I've created 4 complete systems. System 1, get job ready in Scrum and Agile, career clarity, interview strategies, a role fit assessment. System 2, build better products, user stories, risk management, stakeholder engagement. System 3, grow your business online, marketing, content creation, scaling. System 4, build and scale your own courses or your own content if you want to teach what you know. 25 courses total, everything from this foundation to advanced transformation. And right now, I'm running a limited time offer, 25 courses for $25. It's insane. Check description for current availability. If it's there, grab it. If not, join the waiting list for the next time. Either way, start with the pattern. It's free. It works. Here's my question for you. And I genuinely want to know, which of these 11 components causes the most confusion in your experience? Is it understanding what product owner actually does? Running effective retrospectives? Maybe keeping daily Scrum under 15 minutes? Drop a comment. I read every single one, and I will reply with specific advice. In this clicked for you, subscribe. I post Scrum breakdowns like this every week. Link to the courses is in description. Link to the free resources too. I'll see you in the next one.